Hey guys, I am G-Bites and welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, I am again back with this channel and hopefully you're still looking forward sa mga hauls na ginagawa ko dito guys because I really do love sharing what I bought online and sa store mismo. But guys, for this video, it's really an impulsive buying for me, but I am not against it yet kasi all goods naman yung mga binili ko, hopefully. And wala pa akong ganitong mga styles sa collection ko, if matatawag na ba yung collection. But before anything else guys, if you haven't been a subscriber yet, please do subscribe in this channel and please click that notification bell for you to be updated whenever I post a new videos online. Okay guys, let's just get into the video. And yes guys, para na rin ma-help nyo ako to still do videos such as this one, wag nyo na rin i-skip the ads para naman may kitain din naman tayo dito sa YouTube channel na to guys. Again, please help me guys by not skipping the ads kasi it helps a lot. And yeah, let's get into the video. And again guys, kung nakikita nyo na medyo yung uyog-yog yung ating screen, meron kasi akong electric fan sa harap kasi galing ako sa labas and it's too humid and it's too hot, like around 40 plus degrees ang init sa labas and the humidity is 60%. So, I just came from outside and I just need to film this one kasi walang tao ngayon dito sa room and that is really a good thing for me. So, medyo madami akong i-videos today and this is one of them. Actually guys, konti lang naman itong share ko sa inyo pero sana magustuhan nyo guys. And let's start with this purchase. This one is from Pierre Cardin. Yes guys, Pierre Cardin is also one of the best brands when it comes to leather, when it comes to suit. Pero this one guys, they're actually, a friend of mine introduced me with this na puntahan daw namin kasi meron daw silang ongoing sale. So bumili ako guys and I just have one purchase from them. So guys, dito sa bag na to, hindi lang yun yung i-share ko kasi gustong-gusto ko rin share sa inyo na ito guys. I actually went to Lulu, WTC or the World Trade Center, Abu Dhabi, Lulu. And nakita ko to guys. And alam mo, bangong-bango talaga ako sa cucumber na scent. So when I saw this, I'm not so familiar with the brand. It's Bodycology. It's only 15 dirhams guys. So when I saw it, it's like, ooh, it smells like, very fresh. Gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. Ang fresh lang niya and I so love it. For 15 dirhams, it's actually like around 22. So, naka-discount siya. 15 dirhams na lang siya. Ang bango, guys. Try nyo. Madami ring mga scent doon. May mga fruity, may mga vanilla-ish. If may word na gano'n, may vanilla, may fruity. And ito yung gusto ko, guys. It's like combination of cucumber and watermelon. Cool lang siya, fresh. Perfect for the summer. Kasi pawisin ako, so this one is so perfect. Ito siya guys, hindi naman siya ganun kamahal. Pero I also love this pair of footwear because I gifted one of my friends, shout out to Khalifa Bafaraj, a friend of mine. And I also bought a gift for him kasi birthday niya nung July 1. So, binilhan ko din siya ng ganito. And nung tinitignan ko, parang I deserve one of it also. Pero magkaiba kami ng kulay. Sa kanya is like navy blue and white. Sa akin ay eto, black and white. Pero parehas kami actually ng shoe size. Pero mas maliit yung binigay ko sa kanya. It was size 41. Actually, bigay ko sa kanya size 40 and this is size 41. This is in black and white color. Ganito lang siya, guys. Meron lang siyang, it's like a cross na ganyan. Then, meron lang siyang Pierre Cardin dyan. It's like leather din yung ganito. So cute. Yan siya. May Pierre Cardin din siya dyan. And so, Ang simple lang niya guys, pero ang ganda sa paa. Saktong-sakto yung ganito niya. As you all know guys, I have a very, very fat feet. Kung may word na ganon. Fat feet. If that makes sense guys. Pero kasyang-kasya dito. Hindi siya masakit sa paa. Trinay ko na rin siya dito around our area in our room. Pero maganda siya guys. And this is the first purchase. Ganda. And rinigalo ko rin yung isang ganito, navy blue, kay KB. So, let's move on sa next bag, guys. Sa next bag, ito talaga yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo, itong Converse na to. And, late na gusto ko i-share sa inyo, guys. Kasi, binili ko pa to nung May towards the end, if that makes sense. Then, it was a buy one, get one. Nakasale na sila, then buy one, take one. So, bumili na lang ako. Kasi, may gusto talaga ako na shoes doon sa Converse sa may Algorer Mall. May size ako pero medyo sabi ko nga sa inyo mataba yung pa ako so hindi siya kasya sa may ganituhan niya. Ito yung design. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung design. Then 2 colors yung available. Yung size 8 which is also my size hindi talaga magkasya yung ganito niya. I tried. The left one fits pero yung right ko ewan ko ba hindi siya talaga kasya. And kahit gustong-gusto ko yon, I want to buy it in size 9 pero hindi siya available. So, it's not meant to be. Then, umalis na kami sa shop, sa store, and then bumalik ulit kami. So, I think as a shoe lover and someone na ang dami sapatos, kailangan ko magkasapatos din or bumili at that time. So, the first one that I'm going to share you is this. Actually, nung nagkita-kita ako and naisip ko na wala na talaga akong makita at that time, parang sabi ko na lang na, okay, I will try to look for another design. Kung may magustuhan ako, then I will buy it. Kailangan kong bumili. Like that. And, as you know guys, my height is only 5 feet and 7 inches tall or 170 centimeters. So, medyo sa Philippines, matangkad na yung tawag dito sa height kong to. Pero dito kasi sa UAE, it's just below the average. Kasi mostly itong height ng 5'7", pang babaeng height. As someone also na nag-try sa Qatar Airways as a cabin crew during the open day interview, ang liit-liit ko. Though confident naman ako na matangkad na ako sa Philippines, pero internationally, my height is really maliit pa rin. Or hindi katangkaran. Actually, my favorite colors are something with a very fresh vibe. Like Tiffany blue, mint green. Yan yung mga favorite colors. So, nung nakita ko to, sabi ko, oh wow. I like also this one. Pero, ito talaga yung nagpakita sa akin na okay, bibili na ako. And this is this. Actually, meron din akong pinagpilian na hindi ko na maalala na something high cut. Pero, ang high cut kasi for me, dahil nga maliit ako, 5'7" lang ako guys, papaliitin niya ako tignan guys pag nag-high cut ako. So, instead of the high cut, I just bought this one. Meron din siya actually purple na ganito, pero I just really love this one. It has a little inch of height, like 1.5 or 1, na it can add also. And at the same time, hindi siya nagmumukhang platform shoes. And I got this one in my size, which is 8. Sinukat ko doon, okay siya. Okay din yung fitting dito kasi di cordon. So, may shoelace siya. And gusto ko siya. Kung iniisip nyo pambabae ba to, hindi guys. It's a unisex. Because in Converse, all is unisex. So, ganyan siya. Size 8. Yan. Pero ang ganda niya, guys. Ang ganda niya sa paa. Hindi ko na siya itatry, guys. You will just check my Instagram na lang for this one. Pero ang ganda niya. I love it. Ito siya. Ganyan siya. Then, may star lang siya here. Yan. Papakita ko. Yan. Then, may Converse lang din siya here. Then, ganito. Ganyan. And then, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang siya. Then, may ganyan siya here. And may mga stoppers pa siya here. Yan lang. May Converse din siya here. masakit ba siya sa paa? So far naman, hindi ko pa kasi siya na gagamit talaga kasi nga bagong-bago pa siya. Hindi, I will just update you guys sa Instagram. So follow me on my Instagram account. Ito siya, I am G Bites. Pati na rin sa TikTok guys para naman ano kayo kasi may iba-iba yung mga contents ko doon. Go. So ito yung first na shoes na binili ko. Again, it's buy one take one. I'm not so sure kung magkano na ulit to. Kung magkano ko siya nabili. Wait. Dito yung price. So, nabili ko to siya ng 129 dirhams. Then, I can get also another 129 dirhams or less as a free. So, the other one is also a 129 dirhams kasi ako talaga, pag bumibili ako ng buy one take one guys, I will make sure na same as in super same talaga yung presyo para hindi ako nalulugi, if that makes sense. Very Ilocano of me. Ewan ko kung kayo din guys, pero yeah. So this is the second footwear guys, kasi dalawa lang naman kasi buy one take one nga, di ba? And then this is the One Star Pro Ox. Yun yung pangalan niya, One Star Pro Ox. Yung kanina is Citas Cruise Ox, if that makes sense. Ito ay yung One Star Pro Ox. Ito naman, gusto ko ng something, ngayon kasi as I age, as I grew up, as I am not young anymore, like that kind of thing. Alam mo yung, I am now my funny side, which is very colorful, very vibrant, very bright colors. Nag-shift na ako to dark colors, like something classic, like beige, nude, browns, earth tones na color. Like, of course, the black and white is still there. Pero, nag-shift talaga ako sa mga ganong kind of colors. And tinignan ko sa shoe closet ko, I still don't have these colors. I didn't see yet a perfect white sneakers and a beige one. Merong binigay na gift din si KB sa akin last Eid. I mean, the Ramadan Eid na something white. Pero I think kasi I'm so used with that kind of brand na, and I'm really still figuring or looking forward sa something white na, as in white siya na shoes. And for this one, binili ko siya, hindi siya 100% na gustong-gusto ko. Ito siya guys. Pero okay na rin siya kasi maganda rin naman siya. Meron lang siyang star here and here. And again guys, for Converse, I look forward na hindi siya masakit sa paa and at the same time wala siya kaparehas. So hindi ako kumuha ng something classic. Kumuha ko nito. Ito siya. Yan. And then, wala naman something special. Ito lang siya. Pero tingnan mo yung texture guys. Hindi siya yung ganyan siya. Parang may texture siya. And I am I'm not so in love with this, pero okay na rin naman for the buy one take one kasi nagra-rush na rin kami at that time at wala na rin kaming time at very very tired na rin kami. And yeah, that's it guys for this vlog. I know this vlog will not be like a 20 minutes video. It's not even up to 15 if I believe. And sana guys, you still love watching because really this is one of my sources of income na dito sa UAE. And please do help me by not skipping ads. Again guys, I am G Bites and see you again on my next one. Bye!